I'm gonna keep trying. I swear, I'm gonna keep trying. I don't care if nobody watches. I swear to God. We might not get this built, but you know what? Oh well. Oh, this is so fucking bad. Pardon me. I'm so pissed off. The internet guy came today. He came. And, yeah. It says my stream is for shit. Yet, over here it says my stream is fine. I'm working on it. I don't see anybody here, so it really doesn't matter. Is anybody here? No. Oh, what a mess. I'm gonna start building it. Oh, what a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. Yeah, this ain't gonna work, is it? It says it's doing great on YouTube. On on Anyway, we got to get going. We got to get started on this. We got to get started on this. Did you see these props? These props have an insert, like old school. These are the Luminaire butter cutters, 553. Yeah, and these are the X Nova motors, 2206, no, 2205, 2600 kV, right? And we're gonna get rid of this, the box, put it up there. We're gonna move some of this to the side so we have a little bit better place to put it. Can you hear me? Is this the live dashboard? The live dashboard? I hope this is the live dashboard. I am live, right? Hmm? I wonder if that one person watching is me. If it's me that's the one person watching, well, that's no good. I was going to show you some cool tricks today. Um, Messages. Yeah. So I hope we can keep this going. So yeah, you know, I'm just gonna pop this top off, right? And under here we have the Unified Pro HV race hooked up to its in biblical, going to the antenna, and that's the face grabber pod by Chris Hahn, and what a beautiful print. We'll put that over there. Then next we have the Motolab Cyclone, my favorite still. And we're going to take that off. Right? And I figured if we had enough time tonight, we'd throw in a multi-Wii OSD. Right? Give me time. I'll keep going with this live stream bit and see if I can get it down. But I think it's all about my bandwidth. I mean, I want to send you guys 1080, and it says I'm sending you a good stream, but when I get to the stream end, it says I'm not giving you a good stream. So let's see how it goes. Alright. I prepared this ESC here. I pre-prepared it. It's a 4-in-1 cicada, and what I did was I soldered 2 more leads to the positive and negative right here on the blob. I soldered a positive and negative lead on there, and that is to power my flight controller. So this only fits on here one way. These little things are cut just perfect so that you can put this on, and I think it goes this way, and it sits all the way down. Okay, so now we have to cut these wires, and I forgot which way was going to be front. The front. This is the front. So this is the front. So this is the back. You got me? That means that this one and this one go clockwise. So we want to make those A, B, C, correct. 1, 2, 3, correct. 1, 2, 3, correct. Alright? So we'll start with this one here. Oh, my screw just fell out of that motor. We're going to start with this one. And we're going to make it A. Let's see, what do I got here? I like it. gonna, I got live chat on so I can see if anybody says anything. Nobody's saying anything, so that's alright. And then I'm gonna take number 2, because I sent them through here in parallel. You got me? I sent them through in parallel. And I'm gonna use my, right? Good. And then number 3. Can you see? That's it. All right. Let's go. All right. Find my solder blob. All right. And again, they're going to just go in parallel because I sent them through here in parallel. And we're going to put them on in parallel. And how am I going to do that for you? We're going to turn it like this maybe. And that way I can get my finger on it like this. You like that? Can you see it? Now first, I can probably do this one with my finger. Hang with me. Nice. Oh, I want to trim that one. Let's trim it. Sorry if I'm breaking up. Again, this is a first attempt. I'm going to have to call my internet provider back again and say, this is not going to do it either. Did I cut that one too short? Huh? Alright, we'll put it back down there. Alright, let's do the other 3, right? I'm going to cut them all, and then we'll tin them all. Maybe we shouldn't do that, right? Maybe we shouldn't do Now we're going to do this one the same thing, clockwise. Let me put this screw in that fell out so that this motor don't keep wiggling around. Right? We'll Loctite them up before the night's through, I hope. Alright, so we did this one, now we're doing this one. Right? One. Is anybody watching? One person? That's me. I think the one person watching is me. Okay. Two. Three. I could have did this all beforehand too, but my issue is I have to fit it through these little parts in the arms, and I did the whole mock-up, so let's tin those up, right? Is yeah, one more. All right, we're gonna give those a little trim, if you don't mind. One. Two. Three. All right, let's solder those on. We got it in the right order. Where's my lead? Okay. All right. keep on going. Alright, now instead of doing these in parallel, we're going to swap one. So instead of making the first one go to the first one, I'm going to make the first one go to the second one. You got me? So let's do that so we don't forget. You think we can handle that? So we're going to make this first one go to the second one. Let's do that. Right? This is so we don't screw up. We're going to do it right away. You got me? We're going to do this right away. Okay? Okay. That's it. How are we doing? Anybody out there? Anybody out there in TV land? Alright. Now the other two, it doesn't really matter where they go as long as they do the same. As long as you do the same. So we're going to go again with the shorter one to the shortest one and the longest one to the longest one. Alright, here we go. So this one will go to the short one. And then this one will go to the long one. Right? 1, 2. Golden. We're going to twist those up a little bit. We're going to twist those up a little bit. Let's tin them. Alright, we're going to put the short one to the short one and the long one to the long one. That's got to be how it was. Let's do it. Nobody's saying any messages. Can I say something? Let's see. Hi. everyone. Alright, so here we go. We're doing the firing order. We're going to get this one on the end. Right there. Nice. Alright. Now this one. I like it. The opposite side. Are you guys still here? Is everybody here? I can't tell if there's anybody in there watching me or what. My stream must be pretty bad that nobody's coming in to be hanging. Alright, what do we got here? Short, long. Long. This should be that'll make that job done, huh? We're getting somewhere. Are we gonna rip this around or what? Are we gonna rip it? How am I doing? It says I'm flowing. It says I'm flowing. I'm linked up. I'm flowing. Yeah. We're going. It says it's got a great stream. What's up? What's up? Alright, let's finish this one up, right? Where are we at? Let's finish this one up. The table is going to get cleaner and cleaner as we go. Right? Let's put this one on the end. Alright, here we go. Alright. That's all the ESC power leads. So now we can screw these back in. Because I got to screw them in from the bottom. Once I get them semi-tight, they fit so close to the chip that I have to screw them in with the Phillips on the other side. Let's check it out. You don't want to let it spin, because you can risk taking a chip off the board. It fits so close. FET on there. Okay. How do we do? Right. Still's the back to me. Camera cut out every 15 minutes or so. You know, let's put them on. What could it hurt, right? They're using gummies now. Except I just raised it up a half a millimeter. Right? Alright, you know what I need to get? I need to get my schematic. I printed one out just for us here today, but I don't see it. I don't see it. There we go. There we go. Alright, so if we go by this thing on the cicada, let's pretend it says signal 1, 2, 3, 4 going from right to left. 4, 3, 2, 1 from left to right. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want 4 as 1, 1, 3 as 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 as 3, and 2 as 4. And here's our ground. Right? Let me get the schematic. I gotta run downstairs for the schematic. Just give me a second, alright? What can I do for you? Just give me 1 second. Okay, I printed this out so that we wouldn't have to look at the screen up there. So, we want these here, lipo in, lipo in. That's the ones I showed you on the bottom that I soldered onto the battery lead. Right? So if we got this right here, we pull this baby up, lipo in is right here, positive and negative. Positive to the outside, negative to the inside. Voila. Got me? That's how it's going to be. But we're going to move it over here. Okay. So I'm gonna solder this up. Why does it keep moving? Alright. I'm gonna hit those two. Okay. That's the power. That's the power, the flight controller. Right? Now, we got to take these leads, just like I explained, and we're going to bring them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what did I say? We have to look at both of these things at the same time. One is this one in my book. Forward 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we have to make this straight. Why does it say my stream is good, yet my stream is bad? So this has got to go all the way across into number 1. This one. We're going to do that. All the way across into number 1. Right? Let's do that. All the way across into number 1. That one's being fun. Oops, sorry.